Hi everybody, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a project share and maybe get your advice. So, um, I made Tim Holtz uh, tag wall hangings, and I got this Tim Holtz material from Hobby Lobby, and I don't know the name of it. Let's see if I can find the name for you. Uh-huh. Electric Elements, I guess. So anyway, I got it from Hobby Lobby. I don't even know if they still have it. I've had it for about a year. So that's what I used. And what I did was cut out each. I made these a while ago and they got squished. I cut out each of these. And there is my project. Um, so I like it and I'm happy with it. But then I thought, okay, it's Tim Holtz. Let's get some embellishments of Tim Holtz and embellish it. But then when I put it on to put them randomly wherever, you know, these are all, and if you follow Tim Holtz, you kind of know his stuff. So I randomly picked things and didn't know where to put them or if I should put them and different things. And now that they're on there, it doesn't flow and doesn't match. What do you think? I'm kind of a basic, I have one, two, three, 4 layers, and, and that's a lot for me. But then I love when I see other people do 15 layers. Okay, that's an exaggeration. I love when I see them do 7 layers, but you can't see the bottom 4. But I love the thickness and I love the look, but I just can't pull the trigger and use that many. But then this is a whole different topic. I don't know if it looks good enough to keep on there or not. You know, I showed it to Johnny, which, he's a master craftsman when he's not working. But this, he said, nah, it took away from it too. So tell me what you think. I'm not sure. I don't know what to think or do here, guys. So, hi Deb. So anyway, um, I don't know. Anyway, there's my project share. All I have to do is either put them together with seam binding and have them 3 as a banner, or wall hangings and put seam binding here. But I use felt. Um, I felted No, I use felt. I put the square here and then just layer the trim. It's real simple. Y'all have seen me do it 100 times. So anyway, my links are down below if you want to follow me. Thanks for popping in with me and saying, I don't know, Leigh. Bye, guys.